Hi guys, just a quick update on the car and what's been happening. I've got my Team Slaphead t-shirt on for you, Mark and Tom. How you doing, boys? Not a lot's been happening really. I've been busy with work. I've also decided to put wheel arches on the back of the car, but I haven't got them yet. So that's in the pipeline. My new job's going very well. Great bunch of guys that I'm working with, and I'm knocking in as many hours as I can to help pay for this project. But the only thing is every time I go to start work on the car, there's always a knock at the bloody door, you know, and see what I mean?
Well, I only came to give you a bloody cup of tea and a biscuit.
Oh, Martin, how you doing?
Not bad. Oh, will I just go away?
Caramel sorbet.
Am I bothering you now?
No, that's a fancy cup. Let's have a look at this.
I made it specially for you, Sean.
This
I thought
is
you'd appreciate it.
Martin Mini Manshed.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah, I was actually.
Hello all.
Uh,
How you doing?
Good to see you, Martin.
Good to see you too.
So,
Back in native Scotland.
yeah, that's a cracker of a cup, that, Martin.
Oh, thanks very much.
Mini Manshed. If anybody hasn't seen Martin's channel, it's youtube.com/Mini Manshed.
And it's only people that have got tidy garages that get a mini man shed.
Yeah.
So
Caramel.
and I brought my Tunnocks caramel wafer.
Tunnocks.
There you go.
Ideal. Do you get them in France?
No,
Oh dear.
you don't get bacon either. I think I'm going to have to move back.
Yeah, that sounds like a plan, Martin. Absolute plan.
Exactly. Well,
So did you make this?
cheers.
Great. That's good. You even got my sugars right.
Aye.
Superb.
Well, that'll do.
Aye, happy with that.
I don't know how to finish things. Sometimes things don't flow. I don't know.
Right. Well, seeing how Martin can't flow, we'll end it there.
Right.
See you later, guys.
We look forward to his next video.
Yeah, that'll be soon, hopefully.
Aye. Right. Well, stop drinking tea and eating biscuits and get on with it.
Right, I will, Martin.
Right. Okay. I'll finish my tea and go.
Okay.
Right. See you later, Sean.
Cheers, guys.
See you later.
Bye, Martin.
Bye.
Right, Martin, shut the door on the way out, pal.
Sorry, I'm just going to get my plane back home.
Right. Right, shut the door.
Right. Bye.
Bye.